I'm Louis Eberly. I'm a neurologist with Inova. My family and I moved to Northern Virginia 30 years ago, and I've been practicing neurology here ever since. I always wanted to do neuroscience, and I've specially trained in epilepsy and sleep disorders. I chose to specialize in sleep because there are so many people that have sleep disorders and they're not diagnosed. So when you can diagnose and treat them, then you can really make a difference in their lives. There was a patient I had one time, a woman with a family and young children. So she ended up having a sleep problem and was less able to interact with her family. So I talked to her and we were able to diagnose the problem and treat it. And she came back to me very emotional, saying, "This is so wonderful. I'm able to interact with my kids. I can stay up with them and talk to them, understand their schoolwork, and family life is so much better." So the family was equally as excited about that. So she was able to improve her family at the time when she's raising small children. It meant so much to her. So oftentimes patients come in with various complaints. It may be memory problems, it may be they're fatigued, they may have problems with concentration and attention. Sometimes I get patients that are referred by their family because they snore all the time. They say, "You've got to see a sleep doctor." And snoring doesn't always mean apnea or doesn't always mean pathology, but sometimes it does. So when we do some tests and do some evaluation and come up with a diagnosis and then treat it, so often the patients feel better and they understand that they don't have a memory issue primarily, and then the work situation often improves as well. So it can make a really fundamental difference in how patients can function in life. One of the things I really like about working with Inova is that there's a wealth of consultative physicians associated with Inova. So I know that if my patient has some need that's outside of the area of neurology, that there are a number of top flight physicians I can refer them to so they can get the care that they need. When you interact with a patient and can actually improve their lives and make things better for them, well, that's what we all strive to do, and that's what it's really all about. I'm Dr. Louis Eberly, and I would be happy to see you.